Hey, howdy, Cousin Greg. Here we go. Got your project done. Massaged out the worst of the dents in there, straightened it up. Did the same on that, took the dents out of that. I detached the perforated collar to plate it. Got that plated, put it back on. I was really kind of interested in the way they fastened it on this one. I don't know if you can see it. See that this little indentation? They got those all the way around. It's a little crimp that pushes this into the collar. And the interesting thing about, you can see the tabs. The interesting thing about Coleman is they didn't have a machine or a form to do that. Because when I was putting this back on, there was only one way that I could match up all the punches on that. So the craftsman that originally made this just probably had some sort of plier device I would put it in. He just turned it and crimped him where he felt like it. Alright, so got that, got this. And actually, the font, that stinking font came out much better than I expected it to. Yeah, I told you about some of the issues. These Canadians, the steel's kind of goofy and the chrome didn't really offer a lot of protection. So unfortunately, there was a huge amount of pitting. But what I did, I tried, you know, I evaporusted it to get the rust out of the pits. I copper plated it, hoping that I could get those pits copper plated. Still couldn't do it. So then what I ended up doing was I stripped it back down to bare metal. I had tried using some pewter to fill the pits and it wouldn't stick. So I stripped it all down, and then to get those pits to the point where I could plate them, I actually boiled it in evaporust. Boiled it for half an hour to get all the rust out of that. Then after that, I took it and I used a industrial degreaser and boiled it in that to get that good and clean. So I think probably all the pits, you can kind of see, they did get plated in there. This poor lantern looks like it had a bad case of teenage acne, but at least we got it plated up. So there you go. I'll invoice you on this a little bit later today. Thanks again for the project. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.